Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Juliana, and today's video we're gonna see how white I can get my teeth in just 1 week. I originally wanted to unbox this with you guys, but unfortunately I thought it was a pair of earrings that had been waiting to arrive for 3 months, so I already opened it up. With that being said, we have this teeth whitening kit that I cannot wait to try out. It's not that I have super yellow teeth, I also just don't have super white teeth. It's never been a big insecurity of mine, but that being said, it's definitely one of those things that I look at myself in pictures and I'm just kind of like, ooh, I wish they were a little bit whiter. But I drink coffee, I drink tea, I drink wine. I work at a breakfast restaurant, so I'm literally having coffee all day long every single day. It's no surprise my teeth are not super white. So when I came across this item, I was like, okay, this is perfect for me, because if you can try it for just a week and see if it works for you, that is awesome. So I'm so lucky that Fairywill sent me this teeth whitening kit. I'm gonna try it for this video because I wanna be honest with you guys. I wanna let you know if I actually think this product works. So I am gonna use this every single day to see what kind of results I can get. Awesome news, Fairywill is giving me a discount code for you guys, so it'll be right here. I'll mention it again later in the video if you guys are interested in investing in a set for yourself. Fairywill has lots of different whitening options as well as other just dental care items. I haven't opened up the set yet, so I don't know exactly what is in here, so I'm gonna open it up with you guys right now and we'll see exactly what we've got to make these pearly whites just a little bit whiter. The other thing I should probably mention is that I have really sensitive teeth. So I've used like Crest white strips before and they really hurt. Like it came to the point where after I did them, I can't even really drink water, so I have to like plan out when I'm gonna do it. So I'm really hoping that this is a good option for someone with like more sensitive teeth. I honestly don't know how this whitening set works, so we'll see. Right now I'm just struggling to open it up, so that's gonna be step 1. Oh, here comes the plastic. There we go. Okay, so just a little rundown of this. It says what's inside: a universal comfort fit premium whitening mouth tray, a 35% carbamide peroxide gel. That does not sound super pleasant, but that's okay. 5 LED whitening lights and a sanitary tray case. It says simple usage steps: use once a day for 15 to 30 minutes. Add whitening gel to mouth tray using syringe, insert tray into mouth, turn on whitening light, wear for 15 to 30 minutes, rinse away gel, and repeat for 7 to 14 days. So, first impressions, it seems really simple, but you know, it doesn't always mean it's going to be. So I'm opening it up, I'm sliding it out. Oh, we're losing pieces. Okay, well we lost a few pieces to the ground, but I'm gonna grab those in a second. So it looks like to me we've got like the case they were talking about. These are the syringes with the peroxide, and then I think this is the light, a shade guide. That's kind of cool. I'm gonna let you guys know what my shade my teeth are right now. And then I'm also gonna put before and after photos for you guys so that I can show you exactly what color my teeth are now and what they're gonna be at the end of the week. Oh great, okay, here's another shade guide. This one's actually better. It has like more yellow options. I mean, I don't think I'm that yellow, but definitely has more options.
So here's the official before shot. They do look a little bit yellow, but not super yellow. Looking at the shade chart, I think they fall around a 7 to 10, somewhere in that range.
Okay, so I don't know how this angle is for you guys. I wanted to move it so that you guys could hopefully see what I was doing. And I really needed a mirror and I didn't want to use the viewfinder on my camera. So I've brought together the pieces we need, which is the light and the mold for my mouth. We're only going to use a quarter of this syringe of gel, and then in here I have the little brush that we're going to paint the white stuff onto my teeth with. As I said, I did brush my teeth. It did say that was an important part of the process, and it also says to dry your mouth. I don't know how dry it has to be. I feel like I'm not overly wet in there, so I'm just going to try it out this way. Just saying, this kind of stresses me out. Like, look at this little needle. I don't like that. It doesn't have like obviously like a pointy bit on the end, so it's not that stressful, but I don't like it. So I don't know if I should apply this right onto the brush or right onto my teeth. I want to go like slow and steady though, so I think I'm going to try putting it right in the brush and we'll see how it goes. I also kind of realized that when you use strips, you know you're getting all the teeth, like absolutely. Whereas when you use this, you don't know if you're getting all the teeth because you have to paint it on yourself and then kind of hope. Oh my god, it comes out fast. Holy, okay, well, I guess we're gonna start now.
Applying the gel was actually super easy. I was just really careful not to touch my lips, and you'll see why later on.
Alrighty guys, I just finished the first 15-minute tray. Honestly, I can't tell if they look whiter. I think they might look a little bit whiter. My overall like feeling about it is that like My mouth felt really dry the whole time because I was focusing so hard on like not, I guess, producing spit because I don't want to take the tray out of my mouth. It tasted kind of gross, but I mean, having peroxide in your mouth would taste gross. It's kind of similar to having been at the dentist, honestly, so it's not really a big deal. But I can't wait to try this for 6 more days. And I also want to let you guys know if I find that this makes my mouth more sensitive. So hopefully by tomorrow, I'll have that information for you. I'm gonna let you guys go for now and we'll catch up tomorrow. Alrighty guys, it's day 2 and I just want to give you guys some thoughts before I moved on to doing the whitening treatment for the second time. I actually didn't experience any kind of sensitivity after using it, which I think is so cool, but I wouldn't say my teeth were immediately as white as they do get when I use white strips. That being said, when I do white strips, I usually leave it on for like an hour or more, and this is only done for 15 minutes. It does say that you can adjust the length depending on how sensitive your teeth are between 15 and 30 minutes. Let me just check to make sure that's what it says. Yeah, so it says you can adjust up to 30 minutes. So I did 15 yesterday and I didn't have any sensitivity. I'm gonna do 20 minutes today and see if that changed anything. It definitely doesn't taste good while it's in there, but it's nothing that's unbearable. And what I really like with this is that you can achieve any of your daily tasks while it's in your mouth because you just have your hands free. So anyway, I'm gonna start the treatment again for today and we'll see how it goes. Another day, another whitening treatment. So today we're doing whitening treatment number 3. So far I'm not seeing a huge difference, but I haven't done like comparison pictures. I think that's where we're really gonna see a difference. And also I've obviously only done this twice, but today we're gonna stick with it. I'm gonna do 20 minutes again. I talked yesterday about how I didn't have any real sensitivity from it and I didn't have any yesterday either. So I'm gonna do 20, I wanna try 25, but it just felt like a long time having it in my mouth. So maybe we'll do 22 minutes today and see how that goes, and then we'll try to bump up to 25 tomorrow if I feel like I can. But yeah, this is gonna be whitening treatment number 3. I feel like you guys don't need to like watch me whiten again, so this will probably be the only check-in. I'll show you guys when it's in my mouth and then we'll check back in tomorrow. I want to show you guys again the syringe. It looks like a needle. It freaks me out every time. But you're only using a quarter every time, and frankly, I don't even think I need a quarter. I only really use half of the treatment on my teeth with the brush, and then I put the rest in the tray to kind of just like have more liquid to sit in there. But I honestly think you could double up the number of treatments this comes with. It already comes with 12 treatments. I'm only doing 7 days, so I could basically do this thing twice. I think I could do this thing 4 times if I only used half as much liquid, and I really don't think you need that much. She's so cute. So I kind of forgot about doing this until now. It's 8 p.m. so it's not like it's super late. It's just, you know, the lighting in here not so good right now. But anyway, I did 22 minutes yesterday, I think, was what we decided on, and whatever amount that was, I think it was 22, was I thought too long. It's not that it made me sensitive, it's just that my mouth doesn't feel good when it's kept closed for 22 entire minutes. So anyway, I'm gonna go back to 20 minutes. We're gonna hold on there. That's how I'm gonna whiten them for. I kind of feel like it's working, honestly. I've been looking at comparison pictures. I'm not gonna show you guys yet, wait for the end. But I do think this process is working, and I'm really excited because I've only done it 3 times and I'm gonna do it a total of 7. So I'm gonna go and do that now. I'm not gonna check in with you guys after because honestly, what really is the point of me showing you that I did it? But I'll see you guys tomorrow.
By day 5, I realized there's nothing new to see or to show you guys, so I just stopped talking in my recordings. And here I am on day 6.
It's day 7. Okay, it's the last day of whitening my teeth. I'm actually really excited because I know that I'm going to see my results officially today. I have been holding myself back from comparing the first day pictures to the update pictures I've taken. I'm going to show you guys a picture from the very first day, from the middle, and then from the end, and I'm going to like kind of go through it with you guys and discuss my results and see if I think this was worth it. But I'm just so excited to get this last one done with. I'm going to probably keep whitening my teeth after this, but I know this video is just for 7 days, so that's a scoop on that. I'm going to do my treatment right now, I'm going to look at the pictures, and then we're going to chat. Sorry, I'm just in a really good mood right now. And honestly, sorry, I kind of look like trash right now. I always do this to myself. On Fridays I do laundry, so I put all my clothes in the laundry, and then I've got nothing to wear for my video. So here I am, hair unbrushed, makeup undone, clothes unwashed, and yeah, that's how we're going to do the rest of this video.
So here are the official results, and I'm very happy with them. Clearly on day 1, my teeth were pretty yellow, and by day 3, I think you can see a big difference. I actually think in the day 3 picture is when my teeth looked the most white, but I think that was mostly the lighting for that picture and not necessarily how white they'd gotten by that point. On the last day, so November 8th, my teeth are definitely significantly more white than on the first day, and I think they're the most consistently white, like all the areas have gotten white, whereas on day 3 it looked white, but there was kind of areas where it was still pretty yellow. I think a full 7 days gave me the most opportunity to whiten all of my teeth and every part of them the most. Based on the top color guide, I think my teeth were around a 3 or a 4 by the end of 7 days.